out of breath here. As you can see, pretty much out here in the middle of the ocean, trying to keep myself straight here. As you can see, the waves are pretty big. Let me show you what it looks like. Don't know if it does it any justice, but bow of my boat keeps disappearing. Here we go, it's a big roller. Pretty crazy. Got Danny Gassamy and Milton, my brother-in-law, in the back there, paddling way out. Paddling to the most. Have a little fun. What's happening, guys? You guys gonna make it? Sorry for the bumpy ride. There we go. We're gonna land at that beach. What's going on, man?
What's up?
Guilty.
Loving it.